Hi, I'm Amy LaBelle, winemaker at LaBelle Winery. Happy first day of spring. You know, we've been working really hard on our spring bistro menu, and we'll be releasing that to you next week, so please come on in and try those special things out. We're very proud of the spring menu. Along with that come our spring cocktails, and I want to show you today how to make a spring rosé sangria. It's one of our favorites, and it's so easy to make, and it's so great if you're having a gathering like our upcoming Easter celebrations, so you can make a picture of this to share with your friends and family. Super easy. So what I have here so far is some gorgeous fruit. Whatever you have at home is fine. Put in your favorite fruits. You can really make this recipe your own. Today I did a lot of citrus fruit and strawberries, but you could easily do pears or apples, whatever you have on hand. So we've got our rosé wine. This is Corazon. We are going to add that with some brandy. This is an apple brandy. You could use apricot. You can use whatever brandy you have hanging around again. Or if you really like the flavor of orange, you can substitute triple sec or another orange flavored liqueur, which I think is really great in this cocktail too. We've got some fruit puree that we're going to add. This is a raspberry puree. It's fresh raspberries pureed with some sugar in a blender. You can do strawberries. You can do cherry, whatever you like best. That just gives it a little extra boost of flavor. We're going to add some simple syrup, which is simply 1 part sugar and 1 part water melted atop a stove until the sugar is clear and you've melted it. So you can add it in and it won't be grainy in the bottom of your recipe. And you're just going to top that up with some club soda or seltzer water. If you really wanted to, you could add Sprite or another soda. But this helps keep your alcohol content down and gives you a little fizz, which is fun. And then pour it in a glass and enjoy. Happy spring.